Argentina versus Egypt, FIFA World Cup 2026, round of 16, preview and prediction. Argentina last 4 matches, 4 wins, 0 draw, 0 loss, versus Algeria, Austria, Jordan, Cape Verde. Egypt last 4 matches, 2 wins, 2 draw, 0 loss, versus Belgium, New Zealand, Iran, Australia. FIFA World Ranking, Argentina 1 versus Egypt 29. Player to watch, Lionel Messi versus Mohamed Salah. Squad market value, Argentina versus Egypt. Head-to-head, Argentina versus Egypt. Where to watch, Telefe, beIN Sports, Fox Sports. Score prediction, Argentina 3, Egypt 1.